Hey guys, it's Sarah, and I'm with Dr. Frankenstein,
Yep, that's me.
and we're doing something different. We're starting a new survival series in tekkit. We are not sure what it is, but it's a type of mod. That
Ooh,
looks
and I
cool.
found an ocelot. Ocelot.
Well, if we kill any spiders, we can get that.
Okay.
So, I
Well,
guess, there we go.
I just found a volcano.
Yeah,
so,
she did.
Do you want to go there first?
Hold on, I gotta change my controls to A attack.
Okay.
Hold on.
I found a few ocelots. Are you paused?
No.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so I'm on my way to the volcano.
Getting wood. Basic. You kill the sheep. Oh, we're right next to each other, so I can see your screen. But she doesn't have a channel, so you won't be able to see her view. Yeah, we have one piece of wool. Careful with your sprinting.
I know.
Oh my god, those are a lot of ocelots.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done chopping that tree.
What is up? WTF? Look at that pig. It's inside a leaf block.
Okay. Janie, where are you?
I can see how many huts the animals have left inside predators. Why are they spawning inside of trees?
What? Oh, pigs? Or anything.
Pigs.
Because they like to be tree pigs.
So weirdo.
I'm just getting the basic tools. Janie, I'm going... Oops.
Yes, sir.
What? I'm going to give you a sword and I am a myth.
No, you're not.
She's having a piece of candy right now. And hey.
I have some food for us. We're not gonna die.
Ah!
Actually, I just used it all for myself. So.
I don't like you. You might hear me scream a few times.
We're like scaredy cats, so.
And please shut up. What's this? Copper! It's just like, copper!
Copper?
Copper, I found copper. And coal. It's good. I'm kind of scared, like, if there's any bosses. Bosses? What do you mean, no? No. Take that thing out of your mouth. What is it? What do you mean?
I didn't care what you're talking about.
You'll see when it comes to the time.
Oh. Ooh, should I grab them?
If you stop talking like that, yes.
This is how I normally talk.
No, it's not. You've heard her.
It's 2.
Prove it.
Sometimes I like using an Australian French
And it's weird. Very weird.
Oh. Whoa.
Janie?
Nice regularly mine.
What is it?
Basalt.
Basalt?
And Enderman!
Don't look at it.
I'm not. No.
I'm just a derp at crafting right now.
I just put a pumpkin on my head. Ooh,
and if you ever need me, just TP to me because we have cheats on.
Should I grab? Whoa, this is so hard.
Yeah, I know. Ooh! Oh, I know how to make a dagger now. No, a knife. Wow, -0.2.
-0.2, not bad.
That's just
How's
bad.
that even possible?
Because they made it possible.
It's stupid.
Idiot.
I'm going to the top of the volcano to TP if you want.
I don't trust you with lava.
And you shouldn't.
Yeah, never. Wait, is it getting nighttime, Janie?
Yes, ma'am.
I see sheep.
Shit.
Kill.
How many hearts does he have?
Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding. I need to mine the copper. Wow, there's lots of sheep.
Really? Is that 5?
I don't. Maybe.
I'm so bad at parkour.
I'll get that copper in the morning. I'm just gonna get down. I'm scared. Torch. Whoa!
What?
Janie, you just used.
It's a tri-torch! OMG!
What's a tri-torch? Yeah, I'm just gonna trap myself in here right now.
Don't forget to sing those to the parents.
Yeah.
We are doing a video.
And she will not be quiet.
Ew!
Love you. Bye. Night night, Sarah.
Mom.
What?
Okay,
Too bad. You get a kissy. Away it goes.
bye.
Bye, BJ.
No.
Better. Showing you.
Yeah, that was Dr. Frankenstein's mom. She's me.
Yeah.
Okay, Janie, do you want to TP me? So you're safe? No, you don't need the TPA. Ah! Oh, there you
Am I
are.
there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now,
This is our little house.
oh, we have a mini map on here too. This is just for the night.
Nowhere.
Yeah, I know. Hey, do you want your sword?
Oh.
Oops. There you go. It's on the crafting table. Fetch.
Ah, got it.
I'm gonna see if we can get anything.
Just to let everybody know, I'm more of the killer than the miner.
Yeah, I like to build.
Why won't it let me crouch? Oh, seriously, it's right shift. That's stuff.
Ah,
Get out
that's
of
you.
here.
Yeah. If you want to die.
I'm not dying. But I'm not going to die because I'm awesome.
No, you're not awesome.
Oh. I'm awesome.
Prove it. Let's hear that.
I'm not stupid, so I'm awesome.
You're stupid for going out at night.
Nuh-uh. This is awesome.
There's too much coal.
I can't see anything except for 2 spiders.
Iron.
I
Ah!
saved you just in time.
Oh my god. Yeah, you'll be hearing a lot of that. Ooh, lots of iron. Why would we want to make knives?
What?
They're cool. Wow. I can make furnace. That was a fan. It's creepy. I have 4 pieces of wool. What'd you do? Wow. What'd you do?
I'll change it back. I changed my game mode to creative.
Why?
Cool.
Okay.
I'm making it.
Did you eat? Oh, what did I do there? Okay.
Okay,
Did you eat all of
I
the?
just changed it to the
Oh. Yes, you changed it today. I love you. Can I punch you?
No.
Hey, get back in the survival mission.
Oh yeah.
Do you have any pork chops left?
1.
Can I have it?
All hail the mighty pork chop.
And you just drop it on the ground. No. Come on, eat.
You can heal yourself.
What?
E. Press E.
Okay.
Heal player.
Oh.
Yep.
I already have some iron, so.
Okay.
I'm making myself an iron sword and giving you this stone sword. Because I don't trust you with anything. I'll make a knife later.
I'm gonna make myself an iron sword.
No.
Yo.
Whoa! How'd I do that? Ooh.
Just know that you're already home.
What'd I do? How did I do that? I don't know.
Whoa!
I know. What?
Gas nozzle. That's part of the rocket ship.
Are you sure?
A gas nozzle.
Okay, fine. We have enough iron to make you one.
I must finish my
She just made
candy.
one. Look, she just made one.
Wow.
I've made myself an iron sword.
Well, now we have two. No, I'm not gonna make a knife yet. Okay, because I don't need to yet. And I don't want to have it clogging up my inventory.
You can all get out.
Don't. Oh, weather clear.
Okay. You can just. Oh, okay. You also could have done E.
Oh well.
Turn rain off and on if you want.
Sorry, we're using a little bit of cheat, but it
It won't
annoys
let me jump, Sarah. I'm stuck in a hole.
me. TP. Whoa, what? Oh, I almost hit you. Oh,
Ow!
I'm sorry. Don't kill me.
I'm healing myself.
Ah, spider. Whoa.
It's daytime. You're welcome.
Whoa.
I got it! Oh, darn, you got it. Copper. What do you need to mine copper?
I don't know, but I have an iron pick, so
Well,
this
it's like
is.
sunset color.
I don't know what kind of mob we have. Like what?
Pretty. I found mine. I'm not going in it.
Yeah, don't. I don't want to
Ooh,
explore
I
that yet.
almost fell in a ravine.
That is not. Oh,
thing.
ah!
You fell in it, I'm guessing?
No.
Oh.
What is this? Cool.
You made a backpack?
No.
How'd you make a backpack?
We're gonna have to end the episode soon. We didn't get much done. But I said soon, so. Oh, I need food again.
Where'd you go? Oh. Just heal yourself.
Well, wait, does it work on?
I don't know. Try it.
Yay! Sorry. Ow.
Yeah, we would
Let me-
never compete on survival. We would like fail out immediately.
There's a volcano you were talking about.
You wanna go up it? Come on, let's do it.
Fine.
Yes.
Sheepy.
Okay.
No!
What?
What'd you do that for? We're going to the volcano.
I TP'd to you.
Yeah. Actually, we can show the volcano in the next episode. Ooh, pumpkin.
We're already out of time.
Almost, but pretty much. Basalt. I wonder what you can do with this.
We'll start climbing up the volcano right now, but then on the next video we'll be at the top and I'll show you.
Yep. We have about 2 minutes left.
Where is the volcano? Ooh,
That'll take a while.
Gus just made a stinky.
Ah!
What was that?
That was you.
That was an ice cream cone.
Ooh, ooh! I found more sheepies. We can make a bed. Give me your wool.
I only have 2 wool.
That's okay. That's all I need. Bed number 1. I just need 1 wool.
Come to me. There's
No.
a teepee.
No, just come to me. I'm in the crafting table.
I found 5 sheepy. Whoa!
Come on. Drop it. Thank you.
Where's this wool? There. My statue.
Oh! We have. Okay, we have beds now. We're gonna. What are you doing?
I'm trying to put this pumpkin. Wait.
Wow.
Wait.
Anyway,
Oh.
Franklin made a stinky. Okay, so that. Oops. Whoa. Okay,
That concludes today's video.
but yes, we are done with today's episode. Bye, guys.